Training JS number 9 loop statement while and do while. If you want your code to do a lot of similar work, a loop statement is a good choice. For example, if we need to calculate the cumulative value from 1 to 10, we can write the code like this. Now, if we want to add value from 1 to 100, then it's going to be very difficult to write. So we need to play a loop, and we can do that by using while loop. So for while loop, what we need to do, we need to initialize two variables. Then want to give a condition that you are going to play the loop as long as my number, the given number, is less than or equal to 100. And whatever you get, you add it with the sum. And then after each iteration, you are going to increase the number of 1 and then return the sum. So that's basically it. This is the while loop. And do this while this. So the main difference between while and do while is that you see do comes before while. So this code is going to run at least once because JavaScript runs code from top to bottom. So this code is going to run at least once, then it is going to check the conditions. So that is the main difference between while and do while. Now let's look at the task. Complete function pat t1 accept two parameters. So it's going to accept two parameters, string and an string. Okay, and an is going to be a number. And based on that, you need to write a loop statement within the function that loops n times. Each time through the loop, will add sterics star marks to string and alternating on which side it is padded. The first time will be added to the left side and the second time will be added to the right side and so on. So it means that if the n is 1, the first star is going to be on the left side, and this if n is 2, then the first star is going to be on the left side and the second star is going to be on the right side. If n is 3, then first star left side, second star right side, third star is going to be on the left side. So there is a correlation between if it is even or if it is odd. So we are going to check if it is even or odd, and based on that we are going to put the star marks. So let's write the code. First thing first, we are going to take a variable, call it result. Just like this loop, we are going to play that. So let's take a variable called result, result, and it's going to be the string. Then we are going to take another variable. This is our counter, so we are going to take 0, and we are going to give a condition while loop. This is this. So while I is less than our given number and you are going to play the loop, and after each loop, after each iteration, you are going to decrease it. Because let's just say if n is equal to 5, I wanted to decrease it to 4, 3, 2, 1. Then when n is equal to 0, the counter is going to stop. Now let's see. Now let's write the condition to check if n is the number I'm getting, if it is odd or even. So n divided by 2. If the remainder is the modulo 2, if the remainder is 1, then it means it is going to be odd. In that case, I'm going to add the star to the left result. Otherwise, if it is even, then I'm going to add result plus star mark to the right. So this is the condition. Let's see if everything is working or not. Attempt. So I did not put any return statement. So I'm going to return the result. If I return the result, let's attempt again. Now every test case passes. Now I'm going to submit it.